Here in Cocoa, Florida with my brother Brad, and he is an upholsterer. Is that the right term? Upholsterer?
Upholsterer finisher.
And so he's going to show us what he does.
Alright, so what I do, seats come out here with no foam on it. They get sewn up inside, all put together piece by piece, depending on if it's a single, fat man, super fat man, double, true double, triple, or quad. Quad's the biggest and single's the smallest. Singles are 14, fat men are 16, super fats are 19 inches wide. Doubles are 30, true doubles are 37 wide, triples are 43 wide, and quads are 56. Quads are our biggest. You can put four regular sized people in a quad.
Oh wow.
Single you can put anywhere from a young adult to a skinny ass adult.
Like you.
Alright, so we got our blue is the softest of the foam.
Okay.
And that's our backs. That's what we lean against.
Oh, so
Spray glue, and we spray glue on the foam. We wait about 5 minutes, wait for it to dry, get a little bit nappy, lay it on. Make sure you get it lined up on the sides and lined up 2.5 inches from the top so you can roll it over the shell. It goes on a shell here. And if the customer asks for lumbar, we put a white strip of 1 inch, because it's the white inch lumbar is
helps your back.
It's firm.
Yeah.
And we lay it glued across the back. And then we flip it on over. Well, after we put the blue on, we go inside. We press down on the back, make sure it's all nice and down and even. Then we rub our hands over it. And then we go along the stitching and press down everywhere the stitching is. And that ensures the seal on the stitches
Nice.
on the seats. After that's all said and done, we flip it around. And then this white we have, which we don't have any today, I didn't order any for Friday, would be one of these. It has a curve in it for your legs, for under your kneecap.
Oh, okay.
Which would be under this. We glue it down, we stick it. We do the exact same thing to
the bottom.
Yeah, to the white. We spread it out, make sure it gets all even and done. Rub our fingers on the threads to make sure it has the indentation. And then we put the lumbar. The lumbar goes on the front, right?
Oh.
Because when you're sitting in it, the white's on the bottom, it's firmest. The lumbar goes towards the front for your
support of your leg.
For underneath
Gotcha.
your kneecap.
Yeah.
The blue's for your back. It's the softest. The lumbar is towards your
middle, yeah, your middle
back.
Yeah, lower back.
And then we take this triangle right here. We throw it up on here. Put it like that, and then we walk over here. We grab two things called bolsters. We lay them down separately. We spray glue on them like so.
Well, don't do it.
And we spray. All this is already put up.
Oh, well now you're gonna ruin it.
And we spray this right here, and then we wait 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and then we stick it to this. But we always want to make sure on the blue side, the blue tip always goes up to the tip of the seat, runs down the very top of the seat, comes down, and makes a triangle.
Gotcha.
And then we work our way down the white side. And on the white side, we always want to be about 1 inch to 2 inches away from the top.
Okay.
Away from the bottom. Because that part right there on the very bottom tells us that when you fold the seat over on the shell, it would be on the bottom side and you don't have any cushion down there.
Gotcha.
Alright, and then we spray this side and put this bolster on this side, we flip it around.
And you do the same thing on the other side.
We flip it around like that. We spray this side with the other opposite. And then it'll get stuck like that. And then when that gets done, we take this off, throw this down here, put this right here, grab a piece of foam that's already been sliced to help prop it up, right? And
Yeah.
then come over here, grab snap kit. All right, these are the
Snappers?
commercial instruments for snapping seats,
Oh,
the bottoms and the
look
tops.
at all those.
And then we have the bottom snaps. We put it one on the top. Oh shit. One on the top.
We're making a YouTube video.
Is it live right now?
Not live, but it'll be on there.
Piece of foam. Demonstrating on a non-seat
Yes.
for company. Alright, so we have fabric. Right? We have
Your snap.
the bottom snap. Depending on which way they would like to have.
Oh, how fancy is that?
And then we have the top. We
Oh,
have
so
different
one of
colors
these is
from-
for the bottom and one is for the top.
We don't. Yes.
I
But
gotcha.
The tops.
Oh, yeah, different
we don't
colors.
Have all the colors, like. 'cause
Yeah, but yeah, the
we have
basics.
seats come in that we don't have colors for. Common one, most common one is flat black. Put the bottom. Put the top. And then this. Boom.
Oh, how nifty. Look at that. And there you have it, folks. Snapper. The snapper.
Oh. We are going to walk in here.
So now we're in the shop. This is a seat that's already done. Ooh, look how fancy that is.
Blue stitching with basic
nice.
black texture.
Yeah.
And this is actually not a stock seat. This is called a
Custom?
A custom fucking poor boy.
Okay.
All of our poor boys are angled and custom shells. And then take a picture and send them off to the customers.
Oh. Prove it. Like a...
Now to prove it, we'll say that we're done. This is what it looks like, and we're good.
That's awesome. Okay.
You can look us up on buttracks.com, buttracks.com.
I love you, Bradley. I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of myself, too.